Open the door. Did you open the door? Oh, that's a heavy door. Yeah, you left me hanging. You gotta get in line. What line? Over here. Over here. Go over here. You gotta wait till your turn. Right here. Wait till your turn. Oh, go ahead. Wake me up. Don't forget to say thank you. You ain't thank you to yet. Lord. She it's to go. She just want to get that kids meal.
You can't use the kids meal coupons as a carry-out. It's a dine-in only.
You gotta stay here?
Yeah, it's
okay.
a dine-in only coupon.
Alright.
She wants that cottage cheese and pineapple.
Oh, excuse me.
Lettuce and cottage cheese, pineapple on top of it. Hey, what are you doing here? Huh?
Okay. She ain't even saying nothing yet.
You want to sit down there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Wow.
Yeah, I need a bowl chili. And 4 tenderloin with cheese. And slice of onion.
She's only,
Huh?
she's only,
Yeah.
what did you say?
Yeah, she don't know. I didn't know you had to stay.
Yeah, it's a dine-in only.
You got the ticket right there. Where's the ticket? Did you bring a ticket with you? Get the ticket. Get your ticket. Now come on, yeah. Oh. Where you at? Oh, there you is. So short. Is you going to your table? Is you going to your table? Okay.
Kids meal, what she gets in.
I guess you want the hamburger. Want the hamburger?
Lettuce, pickle, and tartar sauce on the hamburger? Yeah. And what do you want to drink?
You get a drink with that? I don't get no drink with it.
It comes with the drink.
I'll do it?
Yep.
Okay. What you want to drink? Coke or anything? I'm out.
Pepsi? We'll get that in for you. Did you want ice water or anything?
Nah.
No.
Your mother ain't coming yet.
Huh?
She ain't coming yet. Let's see what time it is. I'm trying to get you order. What did you order?
Hamburgers and fries.
Where you at?
Right here.
I know you right here. Where?
Right here.
You know what restaurant you at?
Huh?
Where you at?
Right here.
You Come on, right here. You don't know what the name of the place?
It's frischs.
Okay.
I thought we was gonna go to Frischs tomorrow.
No, you going home today.
Huh?
You go home today.
I'm going home today. She ain't coming.
Yes, she coming.
I'm going home today. She's bad.
Don't you dare say that. Let me see your meal. What's that you got? What they give you? They gave you hamburger? Okay, I see it. Sit down. Go ahead and eat it. So you get out of here. Go ahead and eat it so we can go to the store across the street.
Well, Mama.
To the store.